How to add page in Google Docs. If you want to add page in Google Docs, it is quite simple to do so. There are normally two ways to do this. First of all, it is an automatic process. So let's say you run out of pages, but you have more to do. What happens is you can see at the bottom, I don't have any page. As long as I exceed the page limit, the page will keep on getting automatically added. So right here, you can see it will keep on getting automatically added. Now, this is most likely just an automatic process that you can follow up with, but you can also do other stuffs in this case. So first of all, let me go ahead and remove this. Another way you can manually add it is just go to the section where you want the page to be added right here, right? So let's say I want another page from here without having to add another text. What I will do is I will go to insert, and from insert I will simply go to a couple of options right here. So here you can see this option called break. I will select page break. Once I select page break, you can see it will automatically create a new section of page for me. So this is another way to do it, but most likely you can just keep on adding more stuff. The page will get automatically created. You don't have to do anything about it. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.